Good morning, academics and scholars, and I want to welcome you to this week. It's an important and big week for you. You have reached the point in the semester where you're about to take Test 2, otherwise known as the midterm exam in this course. But before you get to that, I have put together a very small quiz that is due on Friday on Chapter 13. So make sure that you've gone through the entire learning module, as you should be every single week, that you have taken really great, solid college level notes so that you can complete that quiz on Chapter 13 to the best of your ability. It's a short quiz and it has built in a emotional intelligence assessment. So make sure that you have taken the self-assessment, read the directions carefully before you actually attempt the quiz. That quiz, again, is due on Friday, and it will be a big help in helping you be prepared for Test 2, the midterm exam, which is due on Sunday. Now, this midterm exam closely resembles the exam you took the first time. So Test 1, if you remember, was a long answer exam. Test 2 is very similar. You need to make sure, though, that you are very familiar with the content in chapters 5 through 10 and chapter 13. If you are not taking the time each and every day and each and every week to be the student and scholar that you came here to be at TCC, it's going to be difficult for you to truly do well and excel on this exam. So take the time to go through each learning module. Have really great notes prepared, because remember, you can have those notes with you while you attempt the test, okay? You're also going to need to make sure that you have your results for the VARC. Remember the learning preference test that we took. Are you visual? Are you auditory? Are you read and write? Or are you kinesthetic? You need to know that. And also your Myers-Briggs 4 or 5 letter code. Some of you are getting these confused. You need to know which one is which, because that shows that you are paying attention, that you are really absorbing the information. So that's part 1, right? Is making sure that you understand what these different assessments are and how to use them in your own life. So that's the first thing. I want you to make sure that you also have your current overall grade for this class. Okay, you're going to need that to help you do some self-reflection on this exam in this college success course. So follow all the instructions carefully. All of the information I've just given you is there, and make sure that you're really dedicating yourself, that you give yourself enough time, that you do not procrastinate, and that you take the time needed to make sure your notes are very full, from the textbook, from the Canvas modules, from videos, from slideshows, so that way you can ensure your success, right? You don't have to guess in this class as long as you are taking the time it takes to truly live up to your own potential. I know you can do it, but you have to make the choices that reflect your own goals. So I wish you all the best, and I hope that you do everything you can to make sure you're successful this week on both of these big, important assessments. See you soon.